So the kitchen. And then there's the front door and a long hallway. And then this is the first room. And it has one closet. It kind of curves in over there. And then the living room. There's like a little emergency exit over here. My dog. That might be too fast. This is just where the heater is. This is a hallway closet with a bunch of shelves. Bathroom. And then the second bedroom. There you go. And it has two closets. And they're pretty similar. They kind of go in pretty deep to the side. I don't know if it's possible to see, but it goes in way back over there. And that's the apartment.